Welcome to the Merkava tank manufacturing facility, where innovation meets the life-saving design of our armor.
Welcome to your production facility. Look at this synchronized. We have CNC machining sense.
Welcome to the heart of production. Here, we build a Merkava tank, a machine defined by its life-first philosophy and a unique front engine configuration.
Utilizing precision digital calipers and XRF technology, we verify that every plate adheres to military standards.
This automated finishing station uses a specialized grinding head to deburr and chamfer the cut steel edges.
Bring it down easy. Watch the alignment pins. Steady, steady. It's home. Lock it down.
All right, engage the magnetic clamps. Confirming position.
Engaged. Moving to secure the strongbacks.
The Merkava's life-first philosophy is evident here. Moving the engine to the front allows this rear section to serve
Soak cycle is holding steady at 650 degrees, uniformity within tolerance.
Acknowledged. Beginning the controlled descent sequence now.
Bore scope confirms the geometry. 40 helical grooves, precise twist rate.
Surface finish looks good, well within tolerance. Using specialized reaming and honing tools, the barrel's geometry is precisely machined, ensuring the mirror-like finish. A uniform layer of hard chrome now protects the bore's internal surface, extending barrel life and maintaining accuracy through thousands of rounds.
Okay, rotate slowly now. Engage the threads.
Engaged, holding steady for the torque tools.
Torque wrench engaged on bolt 3.
Readings check out. Proceed to bolt 4.
Initiating elevation hydraulics test.
Initiating the loading sequence test. Stand by for rammer movement. Sequence complete. Testing safety interlocks now. Interlock engaged. System is safe. The commander's independent thermal sight allows the commander to search for targets while the gunner engages threats, significantly enhancing crew coordination. This sophisticated electrical architecture provides reliable power distribution to dozens of systems. Comprehensive test. The diagnostic computer confirms that the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears, finalizing the powertrain integration.
The torsion bars are inserted through the hull tubes, spanning the full width of the vehicle. Specialized tools.
All right, pull it tight.
Tensioning now. Line up the pin. Pin aligned. Send it home.
Comms check. Can you hear me now?
Reading you 5x5. All secure.
Pile secured. Run the diagnostic.
Running system check. Radar online.
Countermeasures engaged. System fully operational.
Comms check, driver to commander, testing 1, 2.
Reading you loud and clear, driver.
Fueling complete, moving to coolant circulation now.
Levels look good. Charging fire suppression system.
Diagnostics confirming all fluids nominal.
Fuel pressure nominal. Engaging starter motor.
Engine stabilization sequence initiated. Oil pressure holding steady. Temperatures rising normally.
Powertrain validation complete on the ascent. Brakes holding steady on descent.
Data confirms. Merkava systems performing nominally.
External temp is holding at 47. Cooling systems are stable, no red flags on the transmission. We are clear for continued operation. Mobility systems are fully validated across the environmental spectrum.
Confirmed. The data ensures reliable operation in all conditions.
The extended durability testing proves that the Merkava's components will deliver the reliability required for decades of military service.
Retorque the drive sprocket bolts. Confirmed.
All systems green. Final review complete. Vehicle certified.
I've got the finalized manuals and the warranty documents. Good.
The USB drives with the calibration files are secured. Let's run the final checklist.
Verify all APF-SDS rounds accounted for. All positions checked. Manifest confirmed.
Comms check 150. Encrypted signal confirmed. Switching to internal nets.
Sierra Bravo 7, loud and clear. All green.
Gunner's sight alignment verified on grid target.
Confirmed. Initiating rangefinder calibration and movement check. Data recording active.
Weight stabilizing now. 65,000 kilograms.
Confirmed. Weight distribution is symmetrical and within tolerance. Recording data now.
Armor plate installation secure. Fasteners checked.
Technical documentation confirms satisfactory test results.
Sign the acceptance forms.
Hold steady on the ramp. Chocks engaged. Start tensioning the chains. All clear for departure.
All documents clear. Proceed to staging area.
Merkava's 3 and 4 have arrived. Start unloading procedures.
Status check on the engine fluids. Levels are optimal, sir. Transfer documents are ready for final approval.
This modification enhances the turret stabilization, as you can see on the schematic. What about the interface latency under sustained fire?
Gunner, tank, 1,200 meters. Identified.
Engage the drive. Smooth acceleration. Keep it steady through the slalom. Steady. Good control on that turn. Much better response.
Identified. Lies. Fire.
Hit center mass.
Up,
Excellent engagement.
Target neutralized. Repositioning now. Good engagement, Alpha 2. Maintain speed and utilize that concealment.
Gunner, target bearing 290, 2 kilometers. Engage.
Target acquired. Ranging. Up. Firing simulated round.
Blue 2, move to phase line Alpha. Blue 3, overwatch. All blue elements, enemy armor. Sector Bravo, weapons free.
Remember, these systems enhance survivability, but they do not replace sound tactical discipline and proper terrain utilization.
Get the stretcher up the ramp, quickly. Stretcher secure. Hatch closing. Move out, driver.
Execute maneuver phase. Engage targets now.
Firing Sabot.
Good engagement prioritization, Commander, but ensure your maintenance logs are updated after the repairs.
Soldiers, today marks the culmination of intense training.
This crew and their Merkava tank are now officially combat ready and mission capable.
Continuous training ensures our Merkava crews maintain peak proficiency, integrating maintenance and modernization seamlessly.
Final checks complete. Our objective is Sector 4. The threat level is high, so maintain situational awareness. Trust your training and your teams. Move out. Your mission is Sector 4 surveillance and rapid response. Threat level is elevated. Follow all escalation procedures and...
Base, this is Blue 1, passing checkpoint 3, all clear. Sierra Bravo 6, this is Echo Delta 2. We have visual on the target building.
Copy that. Moving to support. Engineers, prep the breach.
The comprehensive overhaul extends the vehicle's service life, allowing this significant investment to provide decades of defensive capability.
Turret traverse stabilization check. Counter-rotation engaged.
Systems check good. Target acquired. Permission to fire.
Send it. We honor this vehicle's service, recognizing the lives it protected and the missions it completed during its time in defense of the nation.
The front engine design was revolutionary, prioritizing crew safety above all else.
I served in one of these during the